Endless uses. BakerEze set of 3 non-stick medium cookie pans will be your go-to set for endless uses. Measuring 15.4 inch by 10.3 inch by 0.7 inch, allowing ample space for baking batches of holiday cookies, making sheet pan dinners or toasting appetizers. Superior non-stick pans feature a proprietary DuraGlide PLUS reinforced non-stick finish that eliminates the need for cooking sprays, oils or costly paper liners. Cookies and other baked goods release with ease, making cleanup a snap. Sturdy construction. BakerEze is made with durable steel that heats evenly with no hot spots, producing beautiful golden baking results. Made in America, BakerEze set of 3 non-stick medium cookie pans is proudly made in the USA, made without PFOA and backed by a 5-year limited warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Work like they are supposed to. Easy to clean and no sticking.